Change global variable in a module from a function defined in another module. I have a module with a main function that runs a loop while a flag is true. In the loop, there is a call to a function defined in another module that checks conditions and should stop the main loop if it's true. The code is main.py. other.py. The code is run launching the main.py file. The issue is that when other.check is called in the loop, the main.shutdown function is called, but the main loop keeps running. In the main loop, the ice-running variable is always true, but I was expecting it to become false after being set in the main.shutdown function. Why is this happening? What am I missing? I could refactor the code to mange the exit from the loop in a smarter way, but I am interested to know if there is a solution keeping this kind of code structure.
Try this. Other.py. If I was you, I would use objects and classes. Global methods and variables are not debug and maintenance friendly.
The issue has to do with the main.py file being loaded twice. It first gets loaded as __main___ when you run it as a script. It also gets imported by other.py as its regular name main. The two copies are completely separate from each other and have separate global variables. When other.check calls main.shutdown to modify the ice-running global variable, it only changes the main.icerunning version, not __main___.icerunning. The main function is checking __main____.icerunning, which doesn't ever get changed. There are several ways you can fix this. The best is probably to get rid of your circular import in some way. While circular importing can work okay in Python, it's often a symptom of bad design. It's a very bad idea to use it with any module that may be run as a script.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.